Are you in the club? Hey guys, welcome back for another episode on DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and today we're going to be opening up the Peppa Pig Fairground ride game. This playset comes unassembled, but it includes some game instructions as well as a diagram for how to put it together. And let's look at our characters here. So, I know this is Peppa, because Peppa always wears red. And George usually wears a blue shirt. And I'm not sure which one is Mummy Pig or Daddy Pig. Mummy Pig usually has eyelashes painted on over her eyes, so we'll just say that Mummy Pig is yellow and Daddy Pig is green. And these are the seats that they will sit in. And then this is the part that we need to snap together. Well, that was easy. Okay, so the object of this game is to be on a swing that does not land on one of the hop-off triangles. There are two triangles that say hop off. The rest of the triangles are blue and they have balloons. So the way that this works is we'll put our characters on each of the swings, press the button, and whoever lands on the swing that is over the hop off triangle has to get off. The object of the game is to stay on as long as possible. So the last character on the swing is the winner. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's load everybody up. It looks like everyone's ready. No, it looks like George landed on the hop-off spot. Off you go, George. That's okay, George. I have a treat for you. It's a little Play-Doh ice cream cone. Hold on tight, George. Nobody landed on the hop-off space that time. Oh no! Do you see who landed on the hop-off space? It's Peppa. Sorry, Peppa. That's all right. I saw George over here enjoying his ice cream cone and I thought it looked delicious. May I have one? Of course. Do you want strawberry or vanilla? Believe I'll have strawberry. Okay, here's your cone. 1 scoop of strawberry Play-Doh ice cream. 2 scoops of strawberry Play-Doh ice cream. Hold on tight. Okay, it's down to Mummy and Daddy Pig. It sort of looks like Mummy Pig's on it, but not all the way. Let's try again. Oh boy. Mummy Pig is definitely on the hop-off space. Time to hop off, Mummy Pig. Ooh, Mummy Pig doesn't want to hop off the ride. There she goes. I believe I'd like to have a cone as well. Sure, Mummy Pig. 1 ice cream cone coming up. Well, the last pig standing is Daddy Pig. Let's see if he can make it one more time. He did! The hop-off spaces are here and here. Daddy Pig's the winner! Woohoo! Daddy Pig's the winner! Surely that's worth 3 scoops of ice cream. There's 1, 2, 3 scoops of ice cream. Hold on tight! Daddy Pig, that ice cream cone is taller than you! Yay! Everybody gets ice cream. Okay guys, that's all we have for today. This is a super cute game and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please click on the like button. And for more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out the rest of our channel. And if you like our videos, we hope that you will subscribe. This is DCTC. Thanks for watching.